accidentally cut the dog fence. Was trying to figure out how and why the dogs were getting out into the front yard, and lo and behold, cut the wire here. So we're gonna do a repair. Anytime I'm doing any type of underground work here, I like these little water gauge splice kits by Gardner Bender. Any hardware store's got them, but very useful. Just a little butt joint followed by a shrink wrap with some it's got like some silicone or something in it. I don't know exactly, but it melts down and creates a watertight seal.